left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
Alright, time for gas. I get to use my new gas card. And, I think I have to go in to use this. So
okay.
I'm going inside. I'll let you know how I do. Alright. Discount card does not work at Shell gas stations. So it declined it twice. Don't go to Shell for diesel using your discount card. You gotta pay debit card straight up. That's my my feedback. Here we go. Now we let it ride.
So, what are you most excited about to start our journey?
I'm excited to get done with all the packing, the loading, the prepping, to put out the awning, get out the lawn chairs, start up a campfire, and chill. Time to grab a whiskey and Coke, put on some music, and hang out. I'm excited for all the fun and crazy places we're gonna go, like the alpaca farms, wineries, golf courses, all the fun stuff through Harvest Host. I can't wait. I'm excited for that. And to be done with my sticks and bricks and get on the road. That's what I'm excited for.
And what has been the most challenging part about this whole transition so far?
Trying to worry about a YouTube video and do videos and interviews that I have no idea. I'm usually behind the camera, not in front of the camera, and I've been dressing like a bum because I've been working all the time, and it's 115 degrees here in Arizona where I've been working on everything. And what was the question? I don't like being on camera. I don't know. The YouTube is probably the most stressful for me right now. And the lack of space, going from a 4-bedroom, 3.5 house to a 1-bedroom with a bunk, with a part of a bathroom. Yeah, that's been the fun part. It's stressful. My wife and daughter need to make videos. Like and subscribe.
I'm just gonna keep recording you awkwardly.
Good, you'll get lots of footage. Alright, I'm going to try to set up the tire pressure monitor system that I've got. Previous owner already attached them, but never did any of the setting up. So now I got to try to set this thing up. Not too sure how. So here we go. Got this handy dandy tool to take the pressure valve off. Gotta go quick. Alright, and then I'm supposed to make a little chart, which I've got set up right here. My little chart, so that way I know which one's gonna go which spot. So we're gonna go knock these out real fast. Good. Little tool. Let's try this one now. Yeah, that one worked. Alright, so only that one so far has worked. Alright, give me an issue. this little tool, it's a little bit easier to do it without the tool. Go back inside, and we'll try to program this bad boy. Thing I got going on here. 2, 4, blank, blank, 5, and number 3, I gotta figure out real fast. I'm gonna improvise. I'm gonna take his valve cap off this tire here. Hopefully I can get this one off here. See if I can. Nope. Let me cap it with this one. Nope, not working. That valve stem is not pretty. All right, I don't know how my program that one. Hopefully it works. Let's see it. I'll try it out. All right, it's a hot one out today, but we're still doing preparations for the trip. So I got my tire pressure monitoring system all hooked up. I got the EEZ tire gauge, EEZRV, and it's got enough sensors for the 6 here on the bus, and then also it's got a couple extra sensors for the Toad. So don't have the Toad set up yet, but I just got the tire pressure monitoring system set up for the bus itself. And kind of hard to see. Got my front ones looking good where I want them within range. My back ones here a little low on the passenger side. So I'm gonna put some more air in the tires right now. Bear with me. Only got a couple hands, but these little sensors that go on the valve stems take this little special key to get them off. So you have to work fast here because found out this one actually leaks a little air. So we're gonna try to go nice and fast. Meanwhile, my alarm's going off. Fast leakage. At least I know it works. Now we're gonna put some air in it. We're going to try to put some air in it. Putting air in it. Alright, now I got to do the manual check pressure here. So that way I can see where we're at. But the fun part is, it doesn't line up quite right. Might be easier just putting. I don't know what that noise was. Cross my fingers, everything's good. Come on, baby. Hook up for me. Let's see where we're at. Outside pressure, 88. So I tried to add air, and it went down about 20 pounds. So I'm gonna try again. We got 88 now. I'm looking for 107. Oh God, here we go. On this valve stem. I don't know why or how or what it's doing that for, but I got air in it. So now it's up a little bit. It's within my range, so my alarm stopped and I'm okay with that. I'd like to be a little bit more air, but with that faulty pin, man, it makes me nervous. Jen likes me doing these videos, but I'm under the rig. It's 116 degrees today. It's a hot one, and just like all the RV stuff so far, it's not easy. Trying to mess with this monitoring. 90, 99. Man, I want to get some more pressure on this side, so I'm gonna try again. Here we go. Okay, my inside, I got it up a little over 100 now, just where I wanted it. It's perfect. All right, that concludes that. I gotta wrap it up, put it away. Nice little quick little video. Project, we're going to clean the coils on the air conditioners on the roof. Found out some of this evap foam no rinse spray, so I'm going to open up the casing, spray down the coils, and then let it sit. I have a little scrub brush here to scrub the coils and make sure they're all plenty of spacing, get all the dirty out, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Anybody that knows my wife knows she has tons of shoes. So shoe storage is a mandatory feature that we have to worry about. So what we've decided to get these nice little shoe bins, handy bins. I think we picked them up at IKEA. Got 5 or 6 of them around. And what we're going to do is attach it to the bottom of the bed. So that way when the bed is down, it's under and out of the way of the mattress. So I'll lower that there so you can see how it's not in the way of the bed, not in the way of our walking space, because there's none right here anyway. So take this apart and I'm going to drill it in because lots of shoes. What I need to do is I'm going to put a little towel down first, just to give me a little bit of spacer and hold it up off the ground where I want to put it. That way I'm not fighting for the height I need. And simple little, just like that, nice and simple. Again, these aren't how-to videos. These are usually the wrong way to do everything. But we're gonna make it our own. One, two. Now I'm just going right off the bed level. Not putting a level on this because I tend to eyeball things pretty well. How's that look?
Looks good to me.
Two more screws and it's sturdy. I have a hard time putting a screw on the bit.
I heard that about you.
Family show. Leveling towel.
It's my nice bathroom towel.
And nice and sturdy. Hardest part about this project is getting these drawers in the right way because it's going to take a little bit of effort to get it in the right way. Perfect.
Yay! Okay, so can you close, lower it, and I want to see it.
Lower down, and I need a shoe, and guess what?
Oh no!
Perfect. Ta-da!
Yay! My shoe spot.